Every home should have a pothead, but not this kind of pothead. I saw this clay pothead craft idea circulating through the social media, and I've always wanted to do one, so that's what we're gonna do. The supplies needed are a clay pot, some cheap, inexpensive sunglasses from Dollar Tree. I am using a drawer pull that I had left over from refinishing some furniture where I changed out the hardware. I didn't have a good grip on this drawer pull when I tried to remove the screw, so I will give it a death grip now. Got it. So I'm going to make a sassy pothead. I already drew the lips onto the clay pot with some red acrylic paint. I am going to use the black acrylic paint and this toothpick because it has a very fine point, and just go around the lips and give some shadowing to make it very whimsical looking. I also drew some lines throughout the lips as the creases, and I am putting the black paint on there to emphasize that as well. I love anything that's whimsical and fun, and this is definitely that. I think this is a great gift idea, and Mother's Day is just around the corner, so I am making this sassy pothead for my mom for Mother's Day. I think she will love it. I have never been really good at drawing facial features, but this wasn't too hard, and it's gonna look better than you think it is at this point in time. They also have cartoon facial features, so you don't even really have to draw anything. You can just put stickers on here. I will be using a little bit of white paint, again with a toothpick, just to give a little bit of the look of reflection of the light on the lips. And I think it will make it more animated as well. So I'm just looking at the white reflection on the lips. I think it's gonna be kind of cool and funny. These lips are gonna look great with our white sunglasses from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to remove all the tags here. Okay, now what I'm going to do after I take this sticker off is I'm going to use this E6000 glue, as I will use a couple of different glues, but I'm going to start with the E6000. So I'm removing it from the packaging. It's coming out, ready to be used. I'm going to flip our clay pot upside down. As you can see, there's a little rim or ledge here where the sunglasses can just sit. And this is where I'm going to take and put the E6000 on that little ledge there. And then after that, I will be placing the sunglasses right on that E6000 and on that ledge. I will let it dry. I am going to go ahead and take the sticker off the bottom of our clay pot.
Hey, what's up?
I followed up with putting some Super Weld glue, attaching the glasses on with that as well, and just playing around with the drawer pull here. That's going to be the nose for our sassy pothead. Just going to spread some Super Weld glue right here on this drawer pull, on this flat edge. Then I'm just going to take and put it right in that little spot where your actual nose goes into the sunglasses. Press it firmly against the pot and just hold it a few seconds and let it dry. I thought it would be fun to use a red bandana that I had because I love red and I love that her lips are red, so it'll look really good. I'm going to place this bandana at the rim or top of this clay pot. As you see, I folded it and then I'm just bringing it right around, and I'm just going to make 2 knots. I'm tying the first knot here, and then another knot. And then I will just adjust the bandana tail pieces the way I want them. And I like this look. She's so cute and sassy. This look is kind of funny too. Well, here she is, our sassy pothead that every home should have, that puts a smile on your face when you look at her. I purchased this cute little faux plant at Marshall's, one of my favorite stores. It fits perfectly in there. The plant serves as our sassy pothead's hair. I just love it, and I hope you have a wonderful Mother's Day, Mom. I love you.